Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? Bear with me. I just have a brand new phone, my Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and I just bought a brand new Otterbox, not charger, but case. This shipped from Eldersburg, Maryland to South Bend, Indiana. Unfortunately, I did the whole unboxing, and then I realized that it stopped recording like 2 seconds in. So yeah, so this is my first ever Otterbox. So this is an Otterbox, a very adorable otter. This is a commuter on the go protection, and it's for my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Very cool, sleek packaging came in this case, and it's a two-piece. So this latex fits around, and then it slides right back into here, and it's supposed to be very secure. I was gonna say like extremely secure, but I don't know if it's extremely secure. What do you guys think? It's got drop protection, certified drop protection. I've already dropped it once or twice already, and I got a little scuff on a corner. I'm already mad, but I had to wait for this to get shipped. What do you guys think of this phone? The Samsung Galaxy Note 8. What do you think of Otterbox? Do you think they work? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think, and I appreciate everyone who watches my videos. Please check out my other thousands and thousands of videos. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can use my username London Hawthorne if you like cool t-shirts. Go to riptapparel.com. That's rippedapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt or shirts of choice. You're going to save a couple bucks off each and every shirt if you use my username London Hawthorne as your coupon code. Thanks so much for watching my video. I wish you the best, and I hope your phone does not break. Have a great day.